Take a look at your lawnmower blades, the tips of the blades. If they look anything like this does, that means your blades are dull and they are just tearing the top of your blades every time you mow. First of all, this encourages disease. And secondly, it doesn't look good. It's going to take away that green color on the top. It's going to look more of a white. Let's talk about how often you should change your blades out, how to do it. It's actually much easier than you might think. Okay, first thing is first, you're going to want to remove the blades. So flip your mower up on its side, but pay close attention. One side is going to have the exhaust and the other side is going to have your air filter. Make sure the air filter gets flipped up, otherwise it will leak gas down. So also make sure when you're doing this, you're doing it somewhere you don't risk killing grass or other plants just in case gas does come out. So flip it up on its side, keeping the air filter up. You will notice 2 bolts. Take a socket wrench and just loosen these bolts up. Now, before you remove these, take a quick picture so you can see exactly the way they were to begin with. That way they go back on the exact same way. Okay, so take your blades off. You're probably going to have either 1 or 2 blades. Hondas are notorious for having 2 blades. That's why they have a better quality of cut usually. But you can either take this to a specialty lawnmower store and they will sharpen them for you. But what I prefer, it's easier and faster, is just order these on Amazon, or even Home Depot or Lowe's sometimes stocks these. They're typically going to be $25 to $40 to get a new set, which is right around the same price you're going to pay to go ahead and get these sharpened somewhere else. I like to take this opportunity to see if you have a buildup of grass clippings. If you do, go ahead and clean this out, brush it out. That way your lawnmower will have a better cut. And then all you got to do is put these bolts right back on once you have your sharp blades. So typically, if you are just mowing your house and you're only mowing once per week, if you change these blades out once per year, you should be fine. If you have a really big yard, maybe twice per year, but that should be enough. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you want to get more tips, go ahead and follow us, leave us a comment, just ask us a question. We are happy to help you out.